Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and today we're looking at the zebra bromeliad. I have to find a real happy place for this. I put this in a Bismarckia tree, but as you can see from the roots, they're fairly dry, so apparently the location is not a happy one. May need a more sunny location. We'll have to investigate that and do a little more research on it, but for now I just wanted to capture the zebra bromeliad growing in the Dougherty Garden. As you can see, it is born from another branch, and I believe this is the newest one. So if anything, the one back over here is the mother plant, and these are just the babies that came out over the time. So we'll play around with it and see what it does for the next months. I'll leave it here temporarily until I find a place that I can actually fasten it to that's a little more sunny location. But I'll do a little research thinking that may be the answer. We'll see what happens after we'll find out. Well, thank you for stopping by and liking the video. Subscribe to the channel, and we're going through all the plants that are growing in the Dougherty Garden, no matter where they are. Forget about the weeds. I'm not counting weeds. But if it's a plant that's growing and I have access to a picture of it, you will see it. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.